In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your unsubscribe success page in Mailchimp. If you're working on refining your email marketing strategy, this is a key step to ensure that every touchpoint with your audience reflects your brand's voice, even when someone chooses to unsubscribe from your emails. A well-crafted unsubscribe success page can leave a positive impression, demonstrate professionalism, and even encourage users to stay engaged with your brand in other ways. So let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your campaigns, audiences, and settings. If you don't already have your login details handy, now's a great time to locate them so we can proceed smoothly. Next, look at the top navigation bar across the screen and click on the tab labeled Audience. The Audience section is where you manage everything related to your email subscribers, including sign-up forms and settings. Once you're in, you'll notice a drop-down menu that appears under the Audience tab. From this menu, click on Sign Up Forms. This is where we'll be able to access the tools needed to customize your unsubscribe success page. Within the Sign Up Forms section, you'll see several options for creating and editing forms. For this tutorial, we're going to select Form Builder. The Form Builder is a versatile tool in Mailchimp that allows you to customize the content and design of various forms and response emails associated with your audience. Once you're in the Form Builder, take a moment to locate the drop-down menu labeled Forms and Response Emails. You'll find this menu inside the Form Builder interface. It's typically near the top of the page or in a prominent location. This menu is where you'll find all the different forms and automated emails that you can edit, from sign-up forms to confirmation emails. From this drop-down menu, select the option titled Unsubscribe Success Page. This is the page that users will see after they confirm that they want to unsubscribe from your emails. It's often overlooked, but it's an important opportunity to leave a final positive impression on your audience. Now that you've selected the Unsubscribe Success page, you can begin customizing it to better reflect your brand's voice and messaging. The default text is usually pretty generic, but you can use this space to thank your subscribers for their time, provide a reason for why they're seeing this page, or even include links to your website or social media channels. For example, you might want to say something like, "We're sorry to see you go. If you'd like to stay connected, feel free to follow us on social media or visit our website for updates." Keep your tone professional yet friendly, and try to make it align with the overall personality of your brand. Once you've finished editing the text to your satisfaction, make sure to save your changes. To do this, simply click the Save button, which is typically located near the bottom of the page or in a clearly marked spot on the screen. Saving ensures that all the updates you've made will go live and be visible to anyone who unsubscribes moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully updated your unsubscribe success page in Mailchimp. By taking the time to customize this page, you've made an important step in ensuring that every interaction with your audience, even when they're opting out, is a reflection of your brand's professionalism and care. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.